This is the goal tracker and vision board Notion template that I have. It's actually a part of the all-in-one personal life planner that organizes everything in your life that you can think of, basically. And that is the full Notion template, but this section you can actually get on its own if you only want this section. So I'll run through it quickly. At the top, you can see that you have sections for your goals. And this is strategically placed in different categories of life, so you can easily track goals for each section of your life. You can update this in whatever way you want. When you click into these, you can just update the tags here and make them whatever you want them to be. So you're able to easily just update these, and it's really quick and simple to add a new goal in here and be able to track them in that way. There's also a table view here, so if you want to look at all of them together, you can do that as well. And then there's a vision board section, and you can make this what you want as well. Obviously, everything is completely customizable. I even have a template customization section here, so you can add in any GIFs, icons, and cover photos that you want. And I've actually created a Canva template to customize the cover as well. So you can make this into anything you want and actually have your vision board on the cover of this goals section too. So whenever you click onto this, you can add in any images that you want from here and just make it your own. And in this vision board section, you can also just easily drag and drop images that you want in here and fully customize that section too. So this is just a way to be able to visually see all of your goals and your vision board together in a hopefully easy to use way, and I really love it to be able to categorize it in this way and be able to see all of my goals throughout different aspects of my life. Again, this is a section of the life planner, so you can get the all-in-one personal life planner Notion template all together, or you can get this goals section on its own. And feel free to reach out if you have any questions.